Hey fam, it's Linda Word coming on, just showing the progress where my brothers are at with the shed. So they have it propped up on bricks and they're going to be removing some of the dirt on the inside. Then they're going to take two of the 4 by 12, 12 by 4s, I don't know, and use that to kind of leverage the shed on. And then at the end, my brother will go ahead and start building the frame. The frame is for what we're going to pour the concrete at. So it's a long, lengthy process. And, my brothers work, so I can get them over here, when they have the time and no pressure because, I know it's not easy and they're my brothers. I love them. They help me when I need help. And one of the things my oldest brother would say, I would say, so what are y'all gonna charge me for this? We don't charge family. I was like, okay. So I have to make sure that I feed them when they come over, and we do some pretty good meals for them, something just to chill back with. Anyway, here's the video.